Hello guys, welcome to a video. I'm gonna teach you how to make anime eyes. I was making anime eyes earlier, so I decided to maybe make one. And I was getting better. I saw videos and I was like, oh, I was impressed. So I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna teach you all how to make them.
No.
Or you can call them manga, which means anime. I'm sorry if I can't spell it. I think that's how you spell it, but I know I might make a mistake. So let's get started with the base. So guys, if you're beginners, hold on. If you guys are beginners, I can help you with that. I've been learning. I wish I could show you, but I'll try to make a face reveal. I promise. I'll show you. Maybe the next day. But since you have a if you know how to make them, I'm proud. But if you don't know how to make eyes and you're like this. Hold up, guys. If you don't know, you're like, oh my gosh, how do I freaking make eyeballs? How do you make eyeballs of anime or manga? Don't worry, I'll help you. I'll help you. I'm so dirty.
Oh, Mom.
Won't you just quiet, Johnny? But don't worry, I'll show you how if you're beginners, it's okay. Johnny, stop! I'm recording! Sorry, he's like this, Johnny.
Bark.
Like this.
Bark.
Won't you shut up, Johnny? That's not even about words. Sorry, my mom made a level noise, so this is weekend. So I would do this. I add my layers and flip the clip actually. I was bad at making a drawing anime. So I was doing this sketch drawing. Like this. So I'll show you how to make different expressions rather than make a double video. So this is how you make the determined eye, which I'll show you the next day. Hold on, I'll be right back. So I'm seeing my drawing of different kinds of anime / manga eyes. And it looks like I did that. It looks like I made this. So I made the sketch. So you basically use a sketch. I use a blue pen if I made like a face reveal and I show how ugly the black is supposed to be, then it's okay. It's because I didn't have black pen. I know you may be like, you shouldn't ask for that. No, I did not ask. So if you're doing it on paper, that's okay. You don't need to do it on for the clip. But I did it on a piece of paper, you see. Go in, my disturbing brother's back. And then I made a line. It's okay, you can make like this eyes, just pretend it's the iris. You can make any kind, you can make it like this, or like that, it doesn't matter. But I like to do it straight or like this, like a upside down C. And then I made that. That's called a determined eye. But I don't really make this shine like the animes do. All I just did is a heart, but I would rather put that so you'd be like, oh, it is a determined eye. So then I'm gonna move this, make this light. It'll be easier on IBS, whatever. Then I'm going to trace my sketch, but not do the mistakes. So this is basically, this third layer is my sketch only. Okay. I use marker on my sketches to color the eye. For example, my determined eye is blue and stuff. So I learned how to make manga eyes, actually. But they're kind of like anime also. So I'm like, it's just anime also. Sorry, my phone is being stupid. Sorry I said that. I'll only say that word, okay? I won't say any like I'm so sorry, guys. This is really edgy. So then I make the pupil. If you don't know what pupil is, like, you know, like when you see in the mirror, you see a black spot. That's your pupil. This is the iris. Here, I'll show you in my sketch. So this is most likely your pupil. This, you see this? That's called a pupil. The outside of it, that's colored like green or something. That's the iris. I'm just gonna trace. I'm so sorry this is edgy. I'm sometimes edgy on everything. Okay. So that's my that is my drawing. There you go. So that's the sketch. I'm very sorry it's edgy. I'm just going to show you how to make a determined eye. This is just a tutorial. So now, if you're doing on a paper, that's okay. But if you're doing on flip a clip, I rather suggest you do this and that. Because this really helps me. I love to do this because it helps me, like, in case I need to color over it. Then you do your blah blah blah, you know. But wait, you know we're forgetting something? We're forgetting the shine. So I like to do this. There we go. Now we're gonna erase this eye inside. Now let's start coloring it. So watch this. I use the copy, put it a few times. So I'll show you why I'm being black, okay? I'll use a nice blue. Like this blue. Beautiful. Go like this. Put it dark. See how dark now?
Is SpongeBob on Nickelodeon?
Yeah. I always like to do this, but it's okay. You can make your eye red whatever. Whoops. See, now your iris is all beautiful. But wait, what's wrong? Boom. This is why I like to do this. But the thing is, I need to fix something. Now you're done with your iris. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And goodbye.